Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts, and this is Tracy for those of you who don't know. Yes, I'm outside today. I'm in my backyard right now, but I'm going to set up a table on my front porch and do a little crafting out front. I want to not remake. I have a folding footstool, like an outdoor type footstool, and I got it from Five Below last year, and it has I don't know what that material is. I should know what it is, but it's I don't like it, and it's not wide enough, and I just want to recover it. I want to recover it with this upholstery fabric that someone gifted to me, and it's olive green. So I wanted to match my lawn chair because I want to prop my feet up and relax in my lawn chair going to these jazz events. They start Friday, the 1st, and they're every Friday through September, like I went last year. So I just want to sit back, take that footstool with me, prop my feet up, have my little sippy sip of water, and listen to the jazz and chill out. So stay tuned, or just hold on. I'm gonna go set up in my front, on my front porch, and craft outside. And I'm going to do all this without sewing. See you soon. The original material on the footstool is 10 inches wide. I've cut this material 23 inches long by 14 inches wide. I'm using my glue gun to put a half-inch seam on each side, therefore taking away an inch, and my stool cover should be 13 inches wide. Now I'm going to place the stool on top of the material and line it up so that I can flip the edges of the material over and use my hot glue gun to finish up this project. I'm just trying to get it even. Just flipping over the material and trying to line the edges up, and then I'm going to begin to glue each corner. In hindsight, I should have glued back by the bar first, but I did it on the other side. Now I'll glue my seam all the way across, a little bit at a time. I'm going to go from side to side so that I can make sure it lays down flat and evenly. I'm using a scrap piece of material to smooth that glue out because it gets a little hot. Actually, it gets very hot. Now I'm going to reinforce each side with some more glue, taking it all the way up to the leg of the footstool on each side. Right where my hands are, I should have glued a seam along that edge, that back edge closest to me. Now I'm going to turn it around and do the other side. And I'm going to do it a little differently, like I should have done the first side, but that's hindsight. Flipping it over, the material, evening it out. Lining it up on the edges. And now I'll place glue along that edge right there to secure it even more. I'll do the side seams. After I come out a little more all the way to the edge with glue. I'll do the other side the same way, and then I'll glue a seam along the edge. I'm adding more glue to this other side now up against the bar to give it a little more reinforcement. Although I won't be sitting on this stool because it's not made to sit on, I still want reinforcement. Now I flipped it over and I am just reinforcing with glue all the way out to the edge because I didn't take it to the very edge of the material. Don't want it to flap around. I'll continue to go all the way down. I cut out quite a bit of this video so that you wouldn't have to witness my OCD and anal tendencies. I continued to glue all the edges all around everywhere to make sure that it was secure. And I am done. Folded up, it looks nice. The material goes all the way across the bar of the stool, and I can carry it with me on my adventures out to the jazz festivals. Prop my feet up, sit back and relax and enjoy. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you.